Dear student, class 8, welcome to our Greenfield Online School and College. Today I will discuss chapter 10, Social Problem of Bangladesh. Uh, Already you know previous class I discussed what is problem, what is social problem. So you know that the society and the social problem are actually closely related. Actually, the social problem means only the nature of the problem has changed. The social problem is such an abnormal situation of the society that influences most of the people of the society, and everyone need to work together to overcome the situation. And you know, a lot of social problem in our society, like dowry, like drug addiction. Now we discuss the effect and prevention of juvenile offense. One of the social problem: stealing, pickpocketing, traveling by train without ticket, attacking man, shop, houses, vehicles, breaking and setting them on fire, doing other destructive work and teasing the girls are some of the offenses committed by the juveniles of Bangladesh. Look, this type of work actually done by the juveniles. Beside the juveniles, offenders sometimes commit robbery in a group and also extort money from the businessman. Sometimes they even commit murder. Many years ago, when I'm a student of Dhaka University, then a shocking news. By this time, a shocking news was going on. A boy, he was 15 years old, and his bad company, and I want to say bad friends influence him to take drug, and at last stage these guys, his friends attack him and murder him. So this type of work actually juveniles activities, including juvenile activities, the pitch of the family, with which juvenile offenders is disturbed. Recently, if teaching, actually common scene, if teaching by juvenile offenders is increasing in all places, in both towns and villages. They utter filthy and offensive words to the girls. Actually, they use slang language. The girls cannot go to school and college safely if they don't respond to illegal proposal of derailed juveniles. They kidnap and physically torture the girls. They also throw acid on them. For this reason, acid attack is a common picture in our country, and this problem increasing day by day. In their attempt to protest, the guardians sometimes become victim of their attack. The institutional education of the girls is sometimes closed due to the torture of the degraded juvenile. The juvenile offenders are frequently related to drug addiction and other bad habits. Preventive measures: tendency of juveniles offense is increasing in Bangladesh. The following steps should be taken. The consciousness and responsibility of guardian. If the parents and the elderly persons of the family remain conscious of the uh, types of tendency of juvenile offenses, it causes and remedies, it can easily keep juveniles away from doing any offensive. Actually, parents and family have to stay at fast, because they know his or her child very well, so they have to take in necessary action for this child. For this, it is necessary to create a healthy atmosphere for the mental flourishment of the offspring in the family. So if the family environment is healthy and nice, then the mental refreshment will get the child. Their movement should be watched over. Their friends, associates should be inquired of. Actually, especially mother have to uh, uh, responsibility for this, because uh, actually mother close to her child and his or her child, and actually she inquired and watched her child. An easy and normal relationship should be built with the offspring. It is very necessary nowadays. It is a close friend and close relation between parents and child. So then I will discuss socio-economic program. The poverty of the family is a main reason of committing offense by the juvenile. You know, poverty of the family is the main reason committing offense. For this reason, employment opportunities of the parents and the development of economic condition of the parent must be ensured. Actually, family have to ensure the financial works, and the government and different non-government organization must have come forward to this effect. Education opportunities. All children and juvenile must be brought under the primary and secondary education. If so, on one hand, they will be inspired by education to lead healthy and sound life. On the other hand, the environment of the school will keep them away from committing any offense. So education have to must priority. Recreation. It is necessary to build a library and gymnasium in every area and mohalla. Sometimes we see some gymnasium center, library, but a little for a vast juveniles, for the mental development of the child and juveniles. Once upon a time, uh, library was available, and child was going to the library, but nowadays child and juveniles involved in internet, and they spend a lot of time on internet. Apart from all the activities mentioned about the child and juvenile must be kept away from doing any bad activities. For this reason, they should be arranged of showing them local and foreign movies which will give them pure pleasure. These movies should also be informative and scientific and literary. You know, the Dipu number 2 made by the Anisul Haq, and this film inspired the child detective activity, and this type of film is very rare in our country, because actually our producer and filmmaker interest to spend a lot of money on big budget and commercial film. An obscene film and publication should be fully banned. Child labor should be forbidden. On one side, the children and juveniles themselves should be alert so that they don't get involved in bad company. And on the other side, guardians also should always remain careful about this matter. Lesson 3. The concept and causes of drug addiction. Drug addiction begins by mixing with the drug addict friends. The juveniles take drug being instigated by friends only to get momentary excitement. Actually, their curiosity and momentary excitement influence them to take drug. They do this without knowing, without anything about the harmful effects of drug. Later on, this becomes the cause of their death. The juveniles are by nature curious. As a result, many start to take drugs only out of curiosity. The juvenile sometimes steals bidi or cigarette from the pockets of their fathers or other elder persons only to satisfy their curiosity. Underline this line. This curiosity at one time leads them to smoking. They later on develop the habit of smoking and taking other intoxicating items such as hemp, underline fentanyl, heroin, yaba. Men start to suffer from frustration due to unemployment, underlying loneliness, death of dear ones, and betrayal in love, family disturbance, etc. To get rid of this frustration at the instigation of friends or following the friends, many start taking drugs item. Later on, these turns into their intoxication. The juvenile may also suffer from frustration by being deprived of paternal, parental affection, attention, or frustration may actually child wants or juveniles wants to attention of their parents, but their parents busy in work and their parents did not spend enough time of them with them, and sometimes frustration may also come from a family disturbance and quarrel, and their parents quarrel each other. This effect on child mind. At one stage, they become drug addicted. The influence of bad culture is another main reason underlying of drug addiction. At present, the culture of one country is being easily influenced by the culture of another country through cinema, TV channel, internet, etc. A group of juveniles are being misguided and lost due to the clash of two different cultures. The impact and prevention of juvenile drug addiction. Drug addiction has now become a frightening problem in our country. In our social life, its effect in our social religious life is also very serious. A drug addict may suffer from physical disease such as heart disease, TB, cancer. TB it means tuberculosis, cancer, and asthma. His mental health also becomes very big for this. The drug addicts suffer from frustration and inferiority complex underlying. They not only do their own harm, but they cause chaos in the society, being the victim of timidity, anxiety, and excitement. The effect of drug also create different complex problem in family life. The peace and happiness of the whole family is disturbed by this. There is always quarrel in the family of a drug addict child. That family does not have any respect from the neighbors. The family often becomes ruined for arranging money to buy drugs. Besides, incidents like murder, suicide, feeling from house, or getting lost also happen. The incident like stealing, robbery, hijacking, killing, murdering frequently happen in that country where drugs are easily available. Like Bangladesh, one of the route of drug supply of Bangladesh, the border side, and murdering frequently happen in that country where drugs are easily available. Social insecurity and the decay of moral values also happen due to the effect of drugs. Drug addiction must be resisted and controlled with a view to saving the person of the society from the bad side of drugs. Following measures may be taken for this. Preventive steps are most fruitful in the resistance of drug addiction. For this, emphasis should be given on moral education. The parents and the elderly persons of the family should play an active role to teach children religious and moral. This para is very important. Values from their early age, harmful sides of drug, and all religious restriction to this effect must be informed to everybody. In fine, anti-drug awareness and social movement must be built through religious education and other means. At local level, religious institutions such as the mosque and temple and the socio-economic cultural and sports organizations like club society can play a significant role to resist drug addiction. Apart from teaching moral education, they can make people aware of the bad side of drugs by arranging discussion meeting. They can inspire people, especially the young people, to follow the promise say no to drugs underlined by arranging different programs. Actually, our society and different type of organization, government organization, can take different programs and arrange different programs. Anti-drug awareness can also be created by newspaper, radio, television, cinema. Already Prothom Alo arrange this type of program, and poster, billboard and leaflet. Arrangement must be made for healthy recreation, and the juveniles must be attracted to this so that they don't get inclined uh, to drug addiction. Other bad habits. Side by side steps should be taken to stop the production of obscene film and show of pornography. Besides, it is essential to take the following steps for addressing drug addiction problem. The production and advertisement of smoking and other intoxicating items must be stopped. Publicity through advertisement at both government and non-government initiatives must be made to inform the people about the harmful effect of drug addiction. Alternative employment opportunities must be created for the workers engaged in the production of drug items. The smoking of teachers in front of the students should be considered as an offense. Actually, it's an offense, and also be deviant behavior. The marketing of intoxicating items produced and used as medicine should be controlled, like pethidine, like sleeping pill. Loss of drug addiction control. At present, drug addiction is a dangerously complex problem of Bangladesh. To prevent drug addiction, the government of Bangladesh has signed 3 conventions of the United Nations on Drug Control. The government of Bangladesh has also signed the Anti-Drug SARC Convention in 1990. Actually, the government of Bangladesh has enacted the law of the use of tobacco products. Actually, Rangpur district grows a lot of tobacco products. Last in 2013, the law includes punishment for the use of tobacco products in public places and public transport. Underline: smoking is treated as a penal offense in the place like offices, Actually, public place, libraries, lifts, enclosed workplace, places, hospitals, clinics, airports, river ports, seaports, railway station, bus terminals, cinema hall, exhibition hall, theater hall, actually where people are gathered, shopping complexes, restaurant, public toilets, children's park, fairs, waiting place spaces for public transport and places declared necessary by the government. No one can smoke, no one can smoke in public places and in public toilets. If anyone underline violate this law, she or he will be penalized with money up to 300 taka. How many money? 300 taka. And if that person commits the offense for the second time, for repeats the same offense, his penalty will seriously be doubled. Look, exercise question: what is the main cause of juvenile offense in our country? The answer will be poverty. The steps that can be taken to prevent drug addiction are: this answer will be number D. Look, read the following stem, answer question 3 and 4. Tariq is an affectionate child of his parents. Recently, a change has come in his conduct. Instead of going to school, he smokes secretly and disturbs his mother for money. What is expressed in Tariq's conduct? The answer will be drug addiction. Number 4. As a result, Tariq's conduct as narrated in the stem. The answer will be B. Look, here is a creative question. Now I will discuss the creative question. Mr. Shahid has observed that his daughter is unwillingly to go to school alone. The cause of this is some boys of 13 to 14 years old of his area tease the girls in different ways on their way to school. This matter made him worried. He took steps to discuss the matter with the guardians to solve this problem. First question: what is the promise that the youth should be motivated to prevent drug addiction? The answer will be the promise that the youth should be encouraged is say no to drug. Number B, the influence of bad culture is a major cause of drug addiction. Explain it. The influence of bad culture is one of the main reasons of drug addiction at present. The culture of one country is being easily influenced by the culture of another country through cinema, TV channel, internet. A group of juveniles are being misguided and lost due to the clash of two different cultures. At one stage, they become drug addicts. Number C, what type of social problem has made Mr. Shahid worried? Explain it. As per STEM, the Shahid daughter is unwillingly go to school alone because of the fact that some boys of 13 to 14 years old of his area tease the girls in different way. On her way to school, he realized that the boys involved in eve teaching were juvenile offenders. They were devoid of common sense and knowledge. As such, they might commit any sort offense at any time. If the girl don't respond short of seeing at any time, if the girl don't respond to illegal proposal of derailed juveniles, they kidnap and physically torture the girl on the way to school. They also threw acid on them in their attempt to protest. The guardians sometimes become victim of their attack. For all these stated above, Mr. Shahid thought it as a serious social problem for which he was worried. Number D. Look, uh, evaluate the effectiveness of the step taken by Mr. Syed. Presently, juvenile offences including if teaching are increasing day by day in all places in both towns and villages. Such type of offences make our society sick and our life insecure. Mr. Syed is a social conscious man, so he thought about the preventive steps in the resistance of juveniles offense like if teaching in consultation with the guardians. I think Mr. Syed took the right steps. The guardians of the juveniles can arrange moral education, recreational arrangement, etc. for their so that no juvenile offender can originate in the society. They can collectively face the juvenile offense of the society. So I already discussed your creative question and MCQ textbook MCQ. Have you fail to understand any question, please contact with me. Thank you very much.